All right, Bitcoin Fund Manager, CryptoFace coming at you. Boy, let's go ahead and address some of the crybabies because we have a couple. I tell you, don't join, don't donate if you are going to be annoying, flop and grope at the first sight of one thing going awry. So, yes, we had to boot another person out of the whale group. I literally, over 10%, literally, over 10%, if over 10% of the whale group sends a complaint about you, that's over 12 people, the problem is probably yourself, okay? Now, it's funny because the last video, this video, literally, I said at the end, we don't know what's going to happen. Don't go to sleep on a trade because you can wake up liquidated. We just had about 4 days of killer profits. Literally yesterday, if I wake up and I have, or let's say it was 2 days ago, I made about 0.9 BTC profit. Yet like I look in the whale chat and there's people so annoying that I'm actually pissed off. I can't believe, how can you have a day where you make almost a Bitcoin, but you're still bothered? You're probably annoying as hell. Especially when I, quote unquote, send back half of your donation to be nice when you've gotten so many complaints. Dear Lord, have mercy. I said Bitcoin could go. Actually, literally, this video, if we could skip this damn dude here, let's hear for ourselves. Let's hear for ourselves. Let's see what I said at the very end. Oh, let's replay that. Let's replay that. Let's replay that. It says, what's going to happen next? What do I say? I don't know. Oh my gosh. So tell me, how's that being dishonest? How's that being dishonest? Not at all. And it's funny, if you say there's no, if the group is so bad and there's no good traders, I guess all the profit logs are made up. I guess my photoshopping skills are just really good, even though I use paint for my thumbnails. So, if you can't afford it, if you can't afford the risk, if you're going to be annoying, if you're going to bother people, and you know, especially if I feel, I tell you what I feel stupid for is defending the very person and the very people I had to kick out from the messages of people saying, dude, what the hell? This guy's annoying as hell. He's doing this, that, and the other. So check this out. Don't join if you can't afford it. And if you're going to be worried about your trade nonstop, go get a job. Go do something else. Yes, there's an inverse head and shoulders. Yes, this candle right here closed. It's 50-50. 50-50, as I stated in the video last night. So if you can't handle the heat, don't get in the kitchen. And if you're going to be annoying, that's rule number one in any group. Don't be annoying. Don't be a douche, or you're going to get kicked out. And that's just how it is. So other than that, shout out to my whales. Way to go, everybody. We had just 4 killer days in a row. Now we're just chilling to wait for a couple other confirmations and see what happens next. It's a lifetime membership. If I am human, I have to sleep. So if you get mad because I'm not posting a signal when I'm sleeping, that's on you. I can't hold your you know what every time you go pee. And if you're going to be negative in the group and put other people down, dude, you're going to get kicked out. In fact, I think, you know, to be honest, the dude we kicked out, he's in the YouTube comments complaining. I think it's almost like he wanted to be kicked out because I messaged him 3 or 4 times, giving them warnings. And people like having excuses for failure. It's easier to blame. It's easier to blame someone else for their failures. And I tell you what, no one's gonna blame me or any of the bright and awesome people in the whale group for them flopping and groping in their failures. So don't be annoying. Don't be a douche. If you get warnings, if you're rubbing people the wrong way or you're bothering people, mute yourself. Especially if you're lucky enough to get over 3 warnings. But when literally over, we have about maybe like what, 120, 130 people in the whale crew that donated. And if literally over 10%, if over 12 people complain about you, then you have to go. So, y'all have a nice weekend. Shout out to the majority of the people that aren't flopping gropers and that aren't annoying as hell. And God bless BitUNix.